Hello students, now I would like to show you how to upload your project to your drive and download it at home. After the changes, you need to upload again before you come to school. So first I do file save project and go to my drive, and here, as I showed in class, I do recommend you create a game maker folder, game maker studio or game maker, you can name it whatever you like. And here in this folder, I will upload a folder, not a file. So I go to folder upload, and this is my downloads folder. I need to find documents, Game Maker Studio 2. You may not see this on your Chromebook because Game Maker is not installed on your Chromebooks. But if you run it on your laptop or PC, when you install Game Maker, this will be created automatically by the program. So here I named it Project 0. I click once and choose Upload. This is asking if I trust the site. Yes, I do. Now, as you see at the bottom right, it's uploading 45 items in my case. This depends on how many pictures or sound files you have. Now, when it's ready, again, you do this process at home when you are coming back to school after you work on it, or you can do this at school when you're going home to work on it, okay, at home. So this is my project. If you are re-uploading, because this process you probably have done it at school already, you might want to remove this at home and reload or upload the new folder, because you made some changes. Those local changes will not be effective in the drive unless you upload it. I will repeat once again. You remove the old one to upload the new one so there's no multiple versions. Okay? Unless you want to keep the older version, in that case, you can tell by the date. Because sometimes we want to keep an older version. So if that happens to you, then just keep it. You don't have to remove it, but pay attention to the date so you know which one is what, or you can rename it. Now, let's say you have done this at school and now you're at home and you want to download this. What you need to do is, when you open it, there is multiple folders, because each of them we did add something in it, right? So we added objects, rooms, and sprites. And there's options too, which has some environments by default. Now, going back to Project Zero, sometimes students do only download this or upload this to open it. This is not enough. It should come with all the required folders because that's what you see on the project. It comes as a package. Now, here, go to Game Maker and download at home. This is going to download as a zip file. It says zipping one file. What that means is it's compressing to make it take less space. Okay, so now I go to my folder. It's not done yet. When it's done downloading, this should be confirmed and I should have the name. Now, as you see, I do have my project 0, and you see a zip. This is only one of the ways to compress a file. And if you go to Game Maker Studio and do File Open, again, I'm going to open the one in Downloads. So I go to Downloads. This is not today's, the most up-to-date one. This is yesterday's. As you see, it doesn't even show me today's folder because it's zipped. Okay, so when you zip a folder, it becomes a file and it doesn't know how to open it, or it doesn't even see it. So I will go to folder. Now I will right click and extract all, and there's only a single folder inside, which does have multiple subfolders. Now it does open it automatically, but on my, again, in my downloads, what you see is the zipped version of this folder, right? So this is after I extracted. Now, when I go to File, Open Project, I will go to Downloads to show you. Here now it shows me today. It only shows the unzip version of the folder. Okay, as an IT student, you need to get familiar with these so you can, because you will need it often for many, many things. So let's double click. Now here, this is the one you open, but again, without other folders, it's not enough. So I do double click on this, and it's going to be the same thing because I have not made any changes. But this is the process. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can let me know in the email. Thank you. I hope you found this video useful.